what I can get. The best is hard to grip when everybody wants you. Hey, tell me that you want me to stay. You know I'm stupid for you. Hey, can you come out and play? You know I'm stupid for you. You're playing ring round my head, all where you like a halo. You're a symphony, I'm just a sour note. I'll take what I can get. The best is hard to grip when everybody wants you. And 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 everybody wants you.
So these are our new arms that we have to install, and we have two problems that I'm going to have to fix before installation. First of all, these long bolts and wing nuts are protruding into where the ball will be coming in, and we don't want that. So I'm going to get shorter bolts, and I'm also going to flip these around so that the heads of the bolts are on the inside rather than the outside. And the second thing I'm going to do is I am going to, on this arm that doesn't have bearings installed yet, I am going to take rivets and make it so that these bearings cannot come out by riveting right next to the lip of the bearing.
Hours living double time, a headache lives between my eyes. I hold it hostage to a fault and blame it when I lose my sight. It's things like this that make me so frustrated on the daily. So bear with me while I lose my cool. I swear
So our new intake is on our robot, and we have 3D printed hinges with hopefully what's going to be in the future an actual part, but right for now we're just using cardboard to hopefully keep the balls from coming out of our intake when we move. So it's being held by the hinges and pieces of string to stop it from flopping all the way to the front.
And now do it again, but feed it from right
All the sides, yeah.
because that's where it creates a problem.
Mm-hmm.
And since we can't shoot this in the house with the extremely powerful stuff we have on it now,
Oh, come on, we can't just smash through our walls? That's not fun.
well, my concern will be the computers and
Very true. We have been disabled. Bad part about this intake being really strong is that it's really hard to get the balls out. It's like, great, it's effective. There we go. Enabling. Running the intake.
so what do you think is wrong?
Well, I think one of the things that's wrong is the balls are hitting this motor here.
Okay, so
And
that's
coming
that
out-
side, and that's
That's
always
that
a problem.
side. Yeah, and this side over where the motor isn't, it was kind of resting in this space in between the bumper and our guide plastic that's in the belly pan. I'm just a little surprised that the ball and the motors and everything were strong enough to snap this zip tie that was holding this on. Oh, it didn't snap the zip tie, it snapped the cardboard. Never mind.
So the question is, did you cut your strings too short?
Maybe. Did I tie them too short? Probably, yeah. Okay.